الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا وقعت الواقعة ليس لوقعتها كاذبة خافضة رافعة إذا رجت الأرض رجا وبثت الجبال بثا فكانت هباء منبثا وكنتم أزواجا ثلاثا فأصحاب الميمنة ما أصحاب الميمنة وأصحاب المشأمة ما أصحاب المشأمة والسابقون السابقون أولئك المقربون في جنات النعيم. صدق الله العلي العظيم.
In the name of Allah, the most graceful and the most merciful. When the inevitable event takes place, then no one can deny it has come. It will debase some and elevate others. When the earth will be violently shaken and the mountains will be crushed to pieces, becoming scattered particles of dust, you will all be divided into three groups. The people of right, how blessed they will be. The people of the left, how miserable will they be. And the foremost in faith will be the foremost in paradise.
Thank you, Sawad and Mazen, for the beautiful prayer recitation. With that, we are ready to commence our program. To begin with, we welcome our own Miss Fatima Faima to deliver the welcome address.
Praise this special occasion, we are honored to have with us inspiring personality our chief guest, Dr. Vaishali Srijit, Vice Principal and Professor of Dr. M.V. Shetty College of Physiotherapy, Mangalore. With her remarkable contribution to the field of physiotherapy and academia, she stands as a role model for aspiring professionals. Ma'am, we are truly privileged to have you with us today. I request our principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan, to welcome our chief guest with a sapling. We are also delighted to welcome our esteemed guest of honor whose presence adds great value to this event. Now I would like to welcome Dr. Mubin Sir to give a token of love to Dr. Syed Amin, Dean Students Affairs, PAET. Now I would like to welcome Inayatullah Sir to give sapling to Dr. Sajish Raghunathan, Principal of PA Institute of Physiotherapy. Then I would like to welcome Mubin Sir to give token of love to Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal of PA College of Pharmacy. Now I would like to welcome our principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan, to give a token of love to our Dr. Mubin Sir, Vice Principal of PA College of Pharmacy. Your presence here today is an encouragement to our freshers and testament to the strong academic foundation of our institution. A heartfelt welcome to all our respected teaching and non-teaching staff whose dedication and support shape the future of students. And of course, a very warm welcome to my friends, seniors, juniors, especially our freshers. Today is all about you, embracing new friendships, cherishing new beginnings, and stepping into a world of endless possibilities. Let's celebrate this day with enthusiasm, joy, and the spirit of togetherness. Welcome to JASHNE-E agaaz. Thank you.
Thank you, Faima, for your heartfelt word of welcome. It is my privilege to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Professor Vaishali Srijit, a distinguished academic leader and a pioneer in physiotherapy. She is currently the Vice Principal of Dr. M.V. Shetty College of Physiotherapy, Mangalore, and has made history as the first woman to be elected as a Senate member at the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bengaluru. She has held key positions including former chairperson of the Board of Studies Physiotherapy from 2021 to 2024 and former academic council member at the RGUHS. She also serves as the Joint Secretary of the Indian Association of Physiotherapists, Karnataka branch, and Vice President of the Sports and Fitness Training Federation of India. Professor Vaishali has received several prestigious awards, including the Academic Excellence Award at the Bharat Physio Summit 2024 and the Young Achievers Award at 2028 and the Significant Contribution Award at the IAP Conference, Pune. With numerous research publications in orthopedic and sports rehabilitation, she has also organized national and international physiotherapy conferences and conducted fitness training workshops for students. An advocate for holistic well-being, she has completed a diploma in yogic sciences and is a trained yoga practitioner. She has held a master's in physiotherapy in orthopedic disorders and sports injury and is currently pursuing her PhD at MGV University. With such an impressive career and contributions to physiotherapy, we are honored to have her here with us today. Ma'am, we now invite you to address the gathering.
Rajiv Gandhi University and Vice Principal, and my very good friend Sajish, who is also my senior when I was studying, and Amin sir. It's really a great pleasure for me to be here today to stand before the new batch of students who have been admitted into this course. And for me it is always a moment of happiness to attend such nice, beautiful events which has been organized. We're just having a talk. It's all the credit goes to Amin sir, who is always behind arranging these kind of things. So it's really very appreciative, sir. And also to all the students who have organized today JASHNE-E agaaz, something I think it is about a celebration of commencement or a beginning of a new phase of life. So it is for the students who have joined the course, and I'm pretty sure you all have come to one of the best colleges in Mangalore, PA College, which we have been listening, we are hearing for many, many years. Since I was also a student, since that time I've been listening. This college is quite famous back then, and they've continued the legacy. The whole, the PA, the credit goes to the whole management of PA, and it's so nice to see all of you all in some color code, I guess red color, maybe your seniors have given. How is it? Is there some ragging and all in this college? No? So you all are wearing this color by your choice, or your seniors have told you all to wear this color? By choice or seniors? Of course it will be seniors, isn't it? Yeah, because even we have gone through these kind of phases when we were also freshers. We used to come, we used to sit like we were the bakras of the college, and our seniors used to just make us do all the things. And there was actually, I wouldn't say it as ragging, but there was a very friendly communication. They used to make us, they used to come and intimidate us for certain things. But when we grow, when we finish off our first year, when we are towards the end of the first year, we'll maintain a good bond with the seniors. So that is what I look forward also, because being friendly with seniors will help. But of course, the seniors should know what is the limit, and they also have to be very helpful to the juniors, treat them like their own, when everyone passes through first year and then goes to second year, so they all has to be also treating you very nicely. And pharmacy college, I don't know much about, because I am a physiotherapist, but Shamimullah sir, the BOS chairman of pharmacy in Rajiv Gandhi University, he will have more idea, and of course you're learning from great mind like sir. And about sir, I would like to say today is, as you all know, I won a Senate election in the past month, and I have so many people behind backing up for me, helping me. Maybe like the MC said, I'm the first female to win the election, but it's not possible by one person. I have a whole team who has literally helped me day and night, who have worked for me. So for me, I would say, like, behind every man there is a successful woman, they say, the words, there's a phrase. But in my case, it is the vice versa. Behind every successful woman, there are men. There are so many people who have contributed to my success. So I remember Shamimullah sir, like anytime I used to call, because pharmacy, he was the only link for me to help in his pharmacy profession. So I used to always call sir, and I'm very thankful to sir. You have given your most of your help and made me win the election. So I'm always having that gratitude towards you, sir. And to the new students, you've come, you've left off your homes and you've come far, all from Kerala, I believe, many of them, and some locals. So what you have come here for, you have to focus on that. Your parents have certain dreams, so many sacrifices your parents have done for you all to reach this place today. So don't let them down. Focus on studying, focus on completing the course in time, and make your parents proud. Because you don't know, when tomorrow when you are a parent, you know what is the pain parent take to make their son or their daughter to reach a certain place. So they have lot of commitments, they have lot of responsibilities, and in spite of that, some people even may not be able to give you the best they can, but sometimes they compromise their life and they do what they can for their children. So I request all the students not to forget your parents and always make them proud. And of course, your college, your second thing after parents is your college. It is in your hand how you will get the name to your college. The reputation of the college is always in the hands of the students. You may have the best teacher, you may have the best infrastructure, you may have everything, all the facilities, but the students are the one who bring a good reputation to the college. Tomorrow when you go outside, and we're going on different firms when you work, what will they ask you is, where have you completed your education? And if you're giving your best, so what happens? PA college, that's one of, when they see your work, they should always say it is one of the best college. So always do the best what you can and stay grounded. Even you may reach any good achievements, or you may have a lot of success ahead in your life, but what you have to do is, you should never forget your roots, from where you have come. You never forget your teachers who have helped you, who are going to be helping you, or going to mentor you. You cannot forget them. So you always stay grounded, remember your roots, and also make friends. Friends are very important for life. So now you must have had a good interaction in your class. So whenever making good friends, sometimes you may have some bad choices, but it is not the people who are bad, but the situations which make. So sometimes that you may see another person, a classmate, being in some kind of a problem, or maybe not going in the right direction. So what is your purpose is, you have to guide them. You have to tell them, no, this is wrong, this is right. You have to show the path. So make friends and have a good time, a memorable time in your college, because college life is one of the best you can ever get. After you pass out, you will go to different firms to work, but you will not have what you had in college. There is nothing like so much of responsibilities. All you have to do is, you have to pass your exams, and rest of the things, you can have a good time over here, make good friends and all, and you make good memories. That's what I would want to say. And with that note, I wish you all the very best. I hope you all have a very nice future in this college for the coming 4 years and fly out with beautiful colors. And remember the college as well as your parents. Thank you one and all, and I hope you all have a great day today. Enjoy your day as a fresher. Thank you.
Our chief guest, Dr. Vaishali Srijit, for gracing us with her presence today and for her invaluable contribution to the field of physiotherapy. I request the dignitaries on the dais to do the honors. Dignitary Dr. Saeed Amin Sir, Dean of Student Affairs and Director of CMSR.
Ma'am, Dr. Vaishali Ma'am, Dr. Salimullah Sir, Principal of PA College of Pharmacy, Dr. Sajish Raghunathan, Principal of PA Institute of Physiotherapy, Dr. Mubin Sir, respected faculty members, and my dear students. Freshers Day program, right? What is the purpose? What is the purpose? Enjoyment? Yes? Yes? Okay. So, what is the outcome? What is the objective? Why this type of Freshers Days are conducted? Yes, first years. Why Freshers Days celebration is important? One day break from academics. Is it? Is it so? Yes or no? No. My dear students, Freshers Day play a very important role in our student life. Maybe in your college life, or it may be in your career life in corporate. You may join some companies tomorrow, you may join some organizations tomorrow. There, this type of get together also you will have, where seniors, juniors interactions they keep. The purpose is one side enjoyment, second side is team building and networking activity and learning activity. My dear first year students, having good network with senior is a very important aspect of life. Keep this in mind. In team or in college life, along with your teachers, if you will get proper training from others, they are your seniors. And most of the time, more than teachers, you will get learnings from your seniors. This is a very important thing you have to keep in mind. How strong bond you keep with your seniors, how strong network you keep with your seniors, that will decide about the transformation of your life. Both sides, positive and negative, but what I am talking about is positive side. Because a good senior or good mentor, more than senior, good mentor will transform your life in a positive way. So today's day is for that reason also. Freshers days are conducted, one side is enjoyment, second side that you must have a team building. And this is not only for first years, for seniors also this is applicable. Dear seniors, you are in leadership role now, especially who is in the student or union. Your leadership is successful only if you have a strong team. Keep this in mind. Strong team members will contribute to the success of leadership. Leader alone cannot be, he will not or she will not become successful. Yesterday I was quoting day before yesterday in physiotherapy. I always appreciate the bonding and the coordination among physiotherapy staffs in Karnataka, not only in Karnataka, in India level too. They have strong connection. Okay, it is like I used to tell, you touch one physiotherapist, 1,000 physiotherapists will come. Like the union, that strong bonding. As Vaishali ma'am was saying, not only it is applicable to Rajiv Gandhi also. I remember during election, so whatever discussion happens, even Salimullah sir had called me. He said, arrange buses. We have to send all teaching staff to the vote. Sir instructed me that bus should be there, the election is there, on time you should be there, all faculty of pharma who is eligible for vote should go. It's like that networking, that coordination. Okay, it's like leadership structure. Leadership members, when they contribute together, that success stories comes out. So, my dear students, enjoyment especially in science students' life. I'm a commerce person. Science students, when especially I always mention this. You go and ask about science students in rural area. Especially I'm from rural belt. Science students means a very big thing in rural setup. Okay, because we have some understanding about science students. So we feel, especially commerce people feel that science people will not enjoy. They will be always studying. They will be focused. That too, medical and allied medical students and especially pharma related students are very much into studies. So in our case, enjoyment is how much, what should be the proportion? 50-50 or 80-20 or 90-10? 90-10? I kept one rule in my MBA. 90-10. 90% academics and training, 10% enjoyment. Sometime I keep it to 5%. Only 5% enjoyment. Not more than that. Clear? I'm not saying don't enjoy. I'm saying that you are in responsible course. Okay, as ma'am was saying, your pain, the pain of parents, you will understand when you become parent. When you become responsible. Okay, so they invested their money, their time. Okay, they have a lot of dreams on you. So here, this day you have to utilize for positive connections, for positive network building, and for positive academic relationship, so that your pharma and D-pharma journey should be fruitful. And when you come out from this institute as D-Pharma holder or B-Pharm holder, you should be in a position of outstanding. It's like you should be very good so that any corporate who comes to you, any organization comes to you, they should hire you without second opinion. So for that you should have proper guidance, proper mentorship. For proper mentorship, proper mentors required. Proper mentorship will come from good seniors.
Sajeev Raghunathan, Principal of PA Institution of Pharmacy, to share his insights.
Dr. Vaishali Srijit, Vice Principal, Dr. M.V. Shetty College of Physiotherapy, Senate Member, RGVHS, Bangalore. Our Principal, Dr. Salimullah Sir, Syed Amin Sir, Mubin Sir, all the teaching faculties and my dear students. I've been welcomed as Principal of Pharmacy. That's an honor for me. Thank you. Okay. Yes, sir. Just for the freshers, just wanted to ask you something. Are you all excited? That excitement is way too low, I guess. Are you all excited? I could hear from your seniors, but freshers are still silent. Freshers, are you all excited or nervous? Nervous? Okay. Why I asked you this is like, on this occasion, I remember my freshers day. Very fine morning, like my seniors comes to the classroom and they ask like, who knows to dance? Obviously you're freshers and I am an introvert. Like I never used to participate in any of this function. So I was very silent. Thing is like, people who are silent, they get trapped. Yes? That's why whenever any teacher come, they always target the last bench. So whoever sit at the last bench will have the first opportunity. But still people want to sit in the last bench. Isn't it? Knowingly, unknowingly, they want to sit in the last bench only. They know that they are the first person to get picked up. Yes? From now, my class, automatically people come and sit in the front class because I always start my question from the last class, the last row. So like that, I was picked up. I told, no, I can't dance, that, this and all. Like, no, they told, you have to dance. Okay, with force. We made a program and that push from my senior made me the student representative for my college for the last 3 years. So if at all I am here in this position, they also played a big part on my life. In this moment I remember them. So seniors have a very big role in your life, and as Amin sir said, seniors have a very good leadership role here. It depends on the seniors how your juniors are going to become. Yes, it's your responsibility. It's every senior's responsibility to make a junior a better person. Either be in studies or in lifestyle, anything. It is your responsibility. It's pure your responsibility. And teachers are there to help you, mentor you. If you have any mistake, if you have any doubt, they will help you and they will guide you how to make your mentor your juniors. So if any of your juniors having any problem, then it is absolutely your responsibility and it's your fault. So make sure that you don't do that. You always welcome them. You always push them so that they can reach the maximum height in their life. And I always tell my students, we organize many functions, isn't it? I think pharmacy organize a lot of functions. Why we organize a lot of functions? What's the need of organizing a lot of functions? What is the need? Is there any need of organizing so much functions? There? Yes or no? Yes. Many functions, why we organize is not to show off. It is basically for you all to learn how to manage or tackle different situations in life. You organize an event, you will come to know how difficult it is. You have to coordinate, you have to get many people resources in, you have to coordinate each and everything, even from arranging a small bouquet to giving a token of love, sending the staffs or the chief guests back to their vehicle. And I'm very thankful all these things I could learn under the leadership of Dr. U.T. Iftikhar sir. I always remember him because I have never seen a person, sir told like why we are so much united. I saw the unity is just because the leadership of Dr. U.T. Iftikhar sir. We have learned so many things from him. That other day, so lagging happened in the meeting or something. So I was telling, if Iftikhar sir was there, we would have got nicely from him. Because he wants everything to be in order. And you, trust me, if you have somebody now in this, like to support you like this, you automatically, your lifestyle becomes in an order. You don't have to think, okay, this, everything comes in place. So, I wish everybody should have that leadership. And why we organize these events are, if you manage these events in day-to-day life, it will be very easy to handle a lot of tough situation which comes in your life. So it is very important you engage in activities. Engaging in activities will help you to communicate with people. Communication is very important because you think that I don't have any stress, I am all right. No. Unconsciously you might have so many stress. So as ma'am said, Vaishali ma'am said, you find best friends. Why we should have best friends is, it's basically for communication, isn't it? You can share anything with a friend, and what you can't share with a friend, you can share only with one person, that is God, isn't it? That's why you are open in front of God, and next is your friend. Not other to even to your mother, father, no. But your friend and to God, you are very open, isn't it? So that's why you choose a right friend. And if you find the right friend is not in the right path, it's your duty to make him guide to the right path, as ma'am said. And I'm not taking much time. I know you all are very much eager for the function, as well as we are also wanted to see the celebration here. And I thank Salimullah sir for inviting me for this function. And thank you all, and you all have a very bright day. Thank you.
Here from the head of our institution, we are pleased to invite our principal, Dr. Salimullah.
Dr. Vaishali Srijit, Dr. Syed Amin, Dr. Sajish, Dr. Mubin, my dear faculty members, non-teaching staff, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. And a warm good morning to all of you. I am very happy to see all the vibrant students today on this Freshers' Day. I would like to congratulate in the beginning, as the earlier speakers, Dr. Syed Amin told leadership. He spoke very nicely. I would like to congratulate the leadership of your seniors. This Freshers' Day was not easy for you. They have went through a lot of difficulties, but I must tell they are very, very perseverant. They continuously approached untiringly. They were behind us to get this program accepted. And finally, it is happening. Congratulations. To the freshers, Vaishali ma'am told that which is very true also. There is a very, very narrow line between getting acquainted and ragging. You must understand, acknowledge and know that ragging is a serious punishable offense. Ragging, anything can be amounted to ragging provided the opposite party feel offended. Even something good can be converted into ragging. Therefore, seniors have to be very careful about what they are doing. And juniors, if they do not have consent for any such thing, they should immediately protest. They should not accept if there is anything that they do not like. And seniors, you must be careful about this. Once again, I'm telling you, it is a punishable offense. Having said that, this campus was initiated by a highly revered gentleman, a social thinker, a philanthropist, an accomplished businessman, Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji Sahib, who always believed that education gives empowerment. He always believed education makes good men and women. He believed any kind of education without good values is not a complete education. You may have a professional degree. If you do not have good values, it is not a good complete education. It was his vision that all men and women should be educated, and that is why we are here. He was an accomplished businessman. He could have continued his business in various areas which he has done already, but he invested also in education just to empower people around him. So my dear students, his legacy is being carried forward by the managing trustee and all the trust members, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim and all other trust members, and they are highly encouraging and they are putting all the possible efforts to bring all the state-of-the-art technology in this campus. We are very thankful to them. Dr. Vaishali, Madam said, men are behind her success. Yes, to some extent may be true, but it is your charisma, Madam, that she had already been in university, and most of the management, whomever I had approached, they already knew you. What I would tell? No, Vaishali Madam has already told, Ifti sir has already told. Okay, so please don't give the credit to others. It is your onus that you have achieved this milestone. Congratulations to you. So, Dr. Amin was talking about Freshers' Day, and the chief guest, Vaishali Madam, told you about parents, which is very, very, very important. Parents are very important. You can never forget them. You should always respect them, and you must understand their plight, their difficulties, their issues. You are all grown-up children. you must try to help them, you must plan. Many a times it happens that many student comes when fees issue comes, they will come with lot of problems with. It is not that difficult. You will have to, you are all grown up people, you are all matured people, you must plan it. And you must ask your parents to plan your studies. Then it will become more easier. And Dr. Amin was telling about Freshers' Day. Yes, it is very important. And more than, of course, it gives a lot of connectivity and a relationship building between senior and junior. That is very much true. The fresh students, when they join any course, they enter into the campus with lot of apprehensions, lot of questions, lot of negativity as well as positivity, lots of doubts. Where am I entering? Where am I entering? The freshers would have heard about ragging, they would have heard about the problems the junior students face. So they come with lot of apprehensions. A program like this should and must remove all those doubts, all those apprehensions, all those negativities when you come closer to your seniors. And as Amin sir said, and also Sajid sir said, seniors are very, very important in everyone's life. There are many institutions. Take for example our engineering institution. There's a huge body of alumni who are spread across the globe, not only in India, in UAE, in US, various different places. The connection between senior and junior will help the juniors to contact your seniors and try to get into some good place through your seniors. So seniors always will have some kind of attachment to the juniors, and the juniors would always try to impress the seniors, and the seniors would know what type of person this particular junior is. Can I give some job for this? Can I recommend this person for some job? So this is a pyramid built of seniors and juniors where they help each other in various walks of life, not only in seeking the jobs, in many other walks of life. You can have a good relationship, and that good relationship depends on how the senior and junior get acquainted get acquainted to each other in program like this. And I am sure the seniors would have planned good programs which do not amount to the ragging, right? And definitely you will have good time in this program. So before I conclude, always I say one couplet, one share from Urdu, which is Dr. Iqbal, one of the celebrated poets, pious poet. He writes, रिफ़त में मुक़ासिद को हमदोश सुरैया दे, रिफ़त में मुक़ासिद को हमदोश सुरैया दे, आज़ादी दरिया दे, खुददारी साहिल दे. Which means Rifat is flight. Rifat is flight. In the flight, of your humans, of the people. Okay, you should give such a height of Suraya. Suraya is constellation. All of you know constellation? Constellation is a group of stars in the sky, which is very, very far in the skies. Okay? So, Rifat mein maqasid is the aims. Your aims, flight of your aims should be so high that it should reach the constellation. You should aim, your aim should be so high, not very short-term goals. You must always have a very high aim. And what should be the characteristic of your aim? Azadi Darya de, the freedom of the river, the aim should have so much freedom that it should flow in any situation, the way the river flows. And Khuddari Sahil, the self-esteem of the seashore. You have seen seashore? The waves of the sea come and hit hundreds, 1,000 times the shore. The shore does not bother, does not get disturbed. The shore always stands there. That is the self-esteem you should build in you. And I want all of you to have such self-esteem. Thank you one and all the best.
Felicitate our dynamic principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan, for being appointed as the Chairman of Board of Studies, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Bangalore. Sir, we are immensely proud to be your students. I request all the dignitaries on the dais to felicitate and do the honor. It is time to express our gratitude. I invite my fellow classmate, Mr. Ajmal Rizwan, to deliver the vote of thanks.
For you as to we conclude this successful inauguration of our College Freshers Day. On behalf of our organizing batch, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all those who contributed to making this event a success. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to our Managing Trustee, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim sir, for the support and guidance. Next, I would like to thank our distinguished chief guest, Dr. Vaishali Srijit, Vice Principal of Dr. M.V. Shetty College of Physiotherapy, for taking the time to be with us. Your presence has truly elevated this event. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Sajish Raghunathan, Principal of PA Institute of Physiotherapy, for gracing his occasion with his presence. Thank you, sir. We sincerely thank our Dr. Saeed Amin, Dean Student Affairs, Director CMSR, for his presence. Thank you, sir. I would like to sincerely thank our principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan, for all his support and guidance for making this event a successful one. Thank you, sir. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Muhammad Mubin, Vice Principal, PACP, for your valuable guidance and support. Very much thank you, sir. I also thank Dr. Iqbal, Physical Director of PA Educational Trust, for making all the necessary arrangements for today's event. I would like to thank the media for being here. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff, students of PSCP, for being a part of this occasion. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा